Today we're looking at this premium case from Be Quiet. The Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 merges top-tier flexibility with user-centric design, making it a premium choice for PC enthusiasts. It boasts interchangeable panels for optimized airflow or silent operation, or combination of both, and includes 3 Silent Wing 4 PWM fans for near-silent performance. Its spacious interior accommodates up to E-ATX motherboards and large radiators. It's also got subtle ARGB lighting and a QI wireless charger. It combines aesthetics with functionality, offering a sophisticated and versatile platform for high-end builds. The product arrives in a basic brown box with black text featuring a sketch of the product on the front. There are 2 QR codes on one side for the black and white models, but unfortunately they both lead to the Be Quiet's homepage rather than the product page. The other side lists the specs, offering a quick look at what to expect. The back presents an exploded view sketch of the case, showing each part alongside detailed featured specs. This packaging is straightforward, providing all the essential info at a glance. Inside the box, the case is well protected by foam and polystyrene. It comes in a reusable cloth bag branded by Be Quiet. An accessory box is included, offering panels for swapping out case parts. You also get a manual, strangely packaged in a single-use plastic bag, which provides setup instructions. Within the case, there's also a parts box containing screws and VGA bracket, as well as Velcro cable ties for assembly and a few other little bits. Examining the case straight out the box is important to highlight its customizable nature. Many of the panels can be swapped out, allowing for modifications in both appearance and functionality. The front of the case features a large removable plain panel, offering the option to switch it out for a mesh panel if you wish. Below there is an area where you can install a DVD drive or another 5.25-inch device, such as an information screen. Vents run down both sides of the front for improved airflow. For those opting for a solid front panel, it includes sound dampening material on the back. Upon removal of the front panel, you'll find a dust cover that's easily detachable. Additionally, the fan cage is removable, simplifying the process of mounting fans and radiators. The input-output panel is positioned on the top at a sloped angle for easy access. It includes 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, as well as 1 USB Type C, which is a 3.2 Gen 2, obviously Type C port. Also, you have touch-sensitive buttons for fan control and ARGB lighting, along with a power button and 2 3.5mm audio jacks. The top of the case features an interchangeable mesh filter, which can be swapped with the one on the front, enhancing customization options. There are also vents located on both sides for additional airflow. Some additional sections under the top include sound dampening material as well, allowing for increased airflow when removed. Notably, at the front of the top section, there is a built-in 15-watt fast-charging wireless charger, adding a convenient charging solution for devices like phones. The side panel is made of fully tempered glass. The white model is totally clear, where the black model features tinted glass. It's secured with 2 thumb screws at the back for easy removal. The glass panel boasts a white border, cleverly concealing the case frame and rivets for a sleeker look. The other side is a one-piece metal side with a mesh section to support airflow, perfect for setting up side fans inside the case. Additionally, this side features sound dampening material on the panel's reverse, enhancing noise reduction. The back of the case aligns with what you'd expect from a model, but stands out due to the rear being slightly recessed, a design choice to accommodate the removable motherboard tray. It features 8 expansion slots and includes a removable mounting frame for the power supply. Cabling within the case is neatly organised and concealed from view, enhancing the overall clean aesthetic. On the white model, the cables are also white, further aiding in their concealment. Inside the case, there's ample room for cable management with large cutouts at the top, bottom and side for routing cables. Additionally, there's a bar designed to hide larger cables like the 24-pin cable. However, it's noted that there's no rubberized holes for cable protection, but saying that, everything is nice and folded with no sharp edges. You have a lot of storage options. You can install two 3.5-inch drives like hard drives as standard, but you can buy more mounting brackets for a total of 7 3.5-inch drives. There's also 6 2.5-inch drive options for SSDs, but if you add additional brackets, you can fit a total of 16, and that's on top of any NVMe-based drives you add onto your motherboard. The case comes equipped with 3 140mm silent wing 4 PWM fans known for their quiet operation. If needed, you have the capability to significantly increase airflow by installing up to a total of 11 fans. Specifically, you can fit 3 120mm or 140mm fans at the top, the same on the front. There's also 3 120mm fans able to be fitted on the side. Additionally, there's also space for 1 140mm fan on the rear or 120mm fan, as well as 1 140mm on the bottom or 3 120mm fans. For radiator support, the case offers extensive capability. You can install a 120, 240 or 360 on both the top or the side. At the rear, there's room for either a 120 or 140, and the front accommodates a wide range of sizes, including a 120, 140, 240, 280, 360 and even a 420mm radiator. The case supports a broad range of motherboard sizes, accommodating virtually all standard types including ATX, E-ATX, EX-ATX, M-ATX and Mini-ATX. But in all reality, would you really want to put a mini-sized board in there? The case features the convenience of adjusting fan speeds directly on the front panel along with RGB lighting control. It includes a built-in fan controller splitter system, enabling the regulation of most fans through the front panel. The setup offers a streamlined approach for managing airflow and aesthetics preferences within your build. The case features built-in lighting, including the input-output control and a strip that extends across the PSU shroud and through the front of the case. This lighting can be controlled either from the front panel or through your motherboard software, offering flexibility in customization. However, it's worth noting that the touch-sensitive buttons generally respond well, but the button, or at least on our model, that changes the lighting effects from strobe to solid colour, can be a little less responsive. The case offers ample space for high-end components, accommodating graphics cards up to 370 meters in length with the extra hard drive cages installed, or an expansive 495mm without the cage. Additionally, you will also get the inclusion of the graphics card holder, providing support for heavy models, but not only that, it also hides your cables for the graphics card. For those interested in showcasing their GPU, there is an option for vertical mounting, though a riser cable is required and sold separately. The case also has enough room to support a CPU cooler up to 190mm in height, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of cooling solutions. The case boasts exceptional modularity, offering a level of customization that meets virtually any builder's needs. You have the flexibility to overhaul the interior layout completely. You can flip the motherboard tray to suit your preferred orientation. Panels can be exchanged to prioritize either airflow or sound dampening, and you can add extra storage or make the room for less storage to allow more airflow or even custom water cooling systems. And there's the option for vertical and inverted GPU mounting depending on how you set the machine up. For enhanced accessibility, the front of the power supply shroud is removable, as is the hard drive cage. Radiator mounting brackets are not only detachable but also come with built-in fan hubs, streamlining the installation process. Then you've got that magnetic GPU bracket, which prevents sagging on your graphics card and assists with cable management. In our testing, we found the case offers ample space and effective cable management, enhanced by its built-in hubs for ease of setup. However, installing a 360mm radiator on the side can be challenging and seems to be a little bit too tight. For our testing, we observed that configurations with the solid top and front panels resulted in temperatures that were approximately 3 to 4 Celsius higher compared to setups with mesh panels on the front and top. Bear in mind that temperatures will differ depending on the components used, as well as the number of fans and fan speed. We also noted the case's sound levels. When operated in a low fan mode, the system is virtually silent, but again, this depends on the components and parts you put in. Obviously, when you turn the fan speed up to full, it does get quite a bit louder. So in conclusion, this PC case impresses with its modularity, ease of cable management, and comprehensive support for various cooling and storage configurations. Its versatility allows for a personalised setup, balancing between aesthetics and functionality. The case offers a robust foundation for both high performance and visually appealing builds, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.